So in this shape we have two sides. We have this one here and this one here. It is a rectangle and it is 4 by 5, so 5 times 4 equals 20, times 2 equals 40. And then we have a bottom down here and a top up here, and that is a rectangle which is 4 by 13. So we're going to do 13 times 4. That's equals 52, and then times 2 is 104. And then finally we have a back and a front, which is 13 by 5. So 13 times 5 equals 65, times 2 is 130. And then when we add this all together, we get 274. And that is your answer.